Clara coughed violently into her cupped hands, expecting to see blood, but instead spat out a perfectly smooth, heavy porcelain eyeball with a hand-painted blue iris. She screamed, dropping the ceramic orb into the porcelain sink, where it clattered heavily against the drain. The painted blue eye stared unblinkingly up at her. Trembling, Clara looked into the bathroom mirror. Her left eye was completely gone, replaced by a hollow, dry socket lined with delicate, cracked porcelain. "What is happening to me?" she sobbed, grabbing a towel. But as she gripped the fabric, the skin on her knuckles chipped away, falling into the sink like broken teacup fragments to reveal hollow emptiness inside. The bathroom door swung open, and a giant, impossibly large human hand reached into the room. A voice that sounded like a little girl echoed from the hallway. "Mommy, my doll is breaking again," the giant voice whined. The massive fingers pinched Clara around the waist, lifting her effortlessly into the air. "Can we throw this one in the incinerator and buy a new one?"